Welcome to a brand new episode of The Menu. Not only is it a brand new episode of The Menu, it's the very first episode of The Menu of 2019. So Happy New Year to everybody. If I haven't got a chance to tell you Happy New Year. Happy New Year. It's great to be back. I'm so excited to continue Season 2 of The Menu. We're going to get right into it. Of course, if this is your very first episode of The Menu, pause this video, go back, watch either the rest of Season 2 or all of Season 1, whichever one you prefer. But pause this video, go back, or you can keep watching this one. I won't stop you. But anyway, if this is your first time checking out The Menu, I'm Taryn Williams. This is my little pocket of YouTube, my little pocket of the multiverse, my little pocket of pockets that's in a pocket. Don't worry about that. But anyway, I'm really excited to get into this episode. We're going to make some beef and barley soup. You know, we're in wintertime, and it's, you know, right here in the States. Getting a little chilly. You need something a little hearty. Something that'll, you know, so you don't get sick. And soup is a very good option. So we're going to make some beef and barley soup. I'm very excited for this episode. So sit back, relax, get your Snuggie, get your tea, get your coffee, get your Henny. I'm not sure what time of day you're watching this, but if that's time of day, get your Henny, sit back, take a look at this brand new episode of The Menu. Alright, welcome back. So as you see, I have a stock pot on. So first we're going to brown our beef chunks. So my beef is just seasoned with seasoning salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And you've been watching The Menu, those are pretty much my 4 staples of seasoning. You know, if I want something a little hotter, I'll add some red pepper flakes. And if I want to switch it up, I might use garlic pepper or garlic salt just to replace the seasoning salt and the garlic powder. But for the most part, seasoning salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder are like my main staples. And now all we're going to do is brown the meat on all sides, and then we'll put it to the side for later. Alright, welcome back. As you can see, I have removed the beef or our beef chunks that we cooked. Those are all set to the side. Now we're going to, well, first you put your eye back on. And we're going to set the eye back on the medium heat. So I added my last tablespoon of olive oil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add my carrots, onions, and celery, which is also called a mirepoix. M-I-R-E-P-O-I-X. So basically all soups, broths, stews, anything like that has celery, onions, and carrots. It's kind of the holy trinity of cooking. You can also replace carrots with mushrooms, and you have a white mirepoix. Fun fact. So if you watch like the Food Network, you'll always see celery, onions, and carrots. Just you can't get away from it. And when this is going, we're only going to cook it down for about 5 minutes till the onions are translucent. Translucent is a good word. So our onions, carrots, and celery are right where we want them to be. So now we got to throw everybody in the pool. So I have 4 cups of water. Three bay leaves, 4 bouillon cubes. Tablespoon of sugar, 2 cans of stewed tomatoes, and actually I'm probably going to have to switch pots because this pie is getting kind of full. Some pepper to taste. My barley, I have a cup of barley, excuse me. We're going to give this a mix. I'm actually going to switch pots before I put my beef in because this is going to overflood and we don't want that. We definitely don't want that. I don't want to clean that shit up, so give me a second. Alright, so I switched pots to, avoid disaster. So I got my beef in there, as you can see, it's all beefy. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to bring this to a simmer. And then after it gets to a simmer, we're going to cover it. And we're going to let it go for about 2 hours until the beef is tender and the barley's cooked all the way through. So if you're not hungry, you probably should have eaten, or actually, excuse me, if you're hungry, you should have ate something before you made this, because it takes a while. Because I'm starving, so I should have ate something before I made this. Life learned. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. But yeah, we're going to bring this to a simmer. And after it gets there, we're going to lower it, cover it, we're going to let it do its thing for 2 hours. I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but you guys can't eat it, so I guess I understand why you're not as excited. I am, because I'm fucking starving.
Two hours later.
So here is my finished homemade beef and barley soup. And one of the last things you do for the soup is when there's about 30 minutes left of cook time, you add your 1 pound bag of frozen mixed vegetables. So thank you for checking out this brand new episode of The Menu. And no, you cannot have my Batman soup cup. Sorry, you just can't. So thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. If this is your first time checking out The Menu, definitely check out the rest of Season 2 and all of Season 1. There's a total of about 16 episodes right now. So go ahead and check that out if you're also into gaming. So if you like video games, you can check out Indie Insight, which is my show dedicated to independently developed video games. Some of my favorites and some I just personally like a hell of a lot. You can check that out. I also have some of my Twitch streams. I'm planning on streaming more on Twitch in 2019. Be sure to check that out. Also, I have my playthrough of Darkest Dungeon. So if you like RPGs that are turn-based with a medieval aesthetic, Darkest Dungeon is right up your alley. Also, just subscribe in general and just check out all the good content that's coming your way, that's happened in the past, and that's going forward in 2019. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Just from the bottom of my heart, as you might have known, hit 100 subscribers at the end of 2018. Want to keep that going. Let's hit 200 subscribers. Let's hit 500 subscribers. I don't know what this year has in store, but I'm definitely looking forward to it. So, thank you all for watching this episode. Also, if you want to get in touch with me, I have all my links in the description. So you have the website, www.SlicingDicingGaming.com, my Instagram link, my Twitter link, a link to the Twitch page, and also a link to the official Digital Chef Facebook page. All those things are in the description below. Also, always and forever, Slicing, Dicing, Gaming. It's not just a motto, it's a lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Later.